Okay, here we go. Today we are dilating a figure around the origin by a scale factor. So we have this figure DEFG shown on the coordinate plane below. Our scale factor is going to be 2 over 3, and we're going to get a quadrilateral called D prime, E prime, F prime, and G prime. We're going to label it on here. So our first step is to figure out where the heck these coordinate points are. So we have D here. We are at -6, +3. E is down here at -4 and -3. F is over here at 5, -2, and G is at -3, +3. Okay. We'll just come over here. G, -6, 3. E is at -4, -3. F is at 5, -2. And a G is at -3, 3. Okay. All right. Our next step is to take these points and multiply them by our scale factor of r over 2. R equals 2 over 3. Okay. For this part, we'll use green. That sounds good. So for D, our D prime is going to be equal to our x value of 6. Just remember that our first terms are x's. Our second terms are always y. Okay. And in fact, we want to do our scale factor first. So 2/3 times -6. Put that over 1. Then it'll be also 2/3 times 3. And I'll put that over 1. So 2 times -6 is -12. Over 3 times 1 is 3. -12 over 3 is going to give us -4 for our new x. 2 times 3 down here is going to be 6. 3 times 1 is 3. That's going to be 6 over 3. And that's going to simplify to 2. So our new D prime is going to be at -4, +2. Well, -4 is here, +2 here. D prime. Okay. E prime. We are at -4, -3, so we're going to do 2/3 times -4, and then we're going to do 2/3 times -3. Put each of these over 1. 2 times -4 is going to give us -8. 3 times 1 is 3. We can simplify this. 3 goes into 8 twice, and that would be 6, and then there would be 2 left over. So we are at -2 and 2/3. And then down here, we get 2 times -3. That gives us -6. 3 times 1 is 3. -6 over 3 is just -2. So E prime is going to be at -2/3 and -2. So -2/3, we just have to guess. It's right about in the middle, a little bit over halfway, and -2. Yeah, I would guess it's probably right about there. And that is our E prime. Okay. Then up next, we'll do F, and we'll do F down here. Okay, F. So F prime is going to be equal to 5, oops, nope, 2/3 times 5 over 1, and then also 2/3 times -2 over 1. So 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 1 is 3, and this right here is going to simplify. Well, 3 goes into 10 3 times, and that'd be 9, which would leave 1/3 left over. That's our new x. Over here we had 2 times -2. That's going to be -4. 3 times 1 is 3. Simplify this down, and that's going to be -1 with 1/3 left over. So our f prime is going to be 3 1/3 and -1 and 1/3. Okay, so 3 1/3 is, yeah, right about here. Oh, we're over here. 3 1/3. Right about here. -1 1/3. Yeah, it's right about there. And that's our f prime. And then finally, we'll do g prime, and we'll do g prime way up here because we ran out of room. Okay, g prime. We are at -3 and 3, so we do 2/3 times -3 over 1, and then we will do 2/3 times 3 over 1. Well, 2/3 times 3, let's see, this gives us -6. This will give us 3. That'll simplify to -2. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. It'll simplify to 2. So our new point here will be at -2, 2. And that is right here. So this is our g prime. Okay, back. And so we are going to take these points and we're just going to connect them real quick. And we're going to connect them as straight as lines we can. And something like that. And there we go. We took this big one, D, E, F, G, and we turned it into D, E, D prime, E prime, F prime, and G prime. So we dilated by a factor of 2/3, which means our original shape should be shrunk by 2/3.